Few natural phenomena can match the sheer power and fury of a tornado, a twisting column of air so intense that it can tear apart houses, uproot trees, and leave entire communities in shock. But how does this mighty force of nature come to life? Today, we're taking you through the thrilling life cycle of a tornado, from its very birth to its often destructive finale. Every tornado begins its life as an unassuming thunderstorm. For a tornado to form, the conditions have to be just right. A perfect combination of warm, moist air rising from the ground, colliding with colder, drier air up above. This encounter creates instability in the atmosphere, and that's where the magic, or the menace, begins. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more deep dives into the wonders of our world. Because one video takes 4 to 5 hours and lots of effort. As warm, humid air rises, it begins to cool and condense, forming towering storm clouds. These clouds continue to grow, forming what's called a supercell, a rotating thunderstorm that holds all the ingredients necessary to give birth to a tornado. But there's more to it. One of the most critical ingredients is wind shear, winds that change direction and speed with height. This creates a horizontal rotating effect in the lower atmosphere. Imagine a giant invisible cylinder of spinning air lying on its side. As more warm air rises, it tilts this horizontal rotation into a vertical position, and that's when the thunderstorm begins to rotate. As the updraft intensifies, the rotation tightens and starts to accelerate. A visible funnel cloud begins to extend from the base of the storm. This is the moment where the tornado is being born, but it's not quite a tornado yet, not until it touches the ground. When the rotating column of air makes contact with the earth, it officially becomes a tornado. The winds can range anywhere from 65 miles per hour to over 200 miles per hour. This twisting force can be powerful enough to lift cars, tear apart buildings, and even lift entire roofs from homes. Once the tornado touches down, it enters its mature phase. This is where it's at its most powerful. Tornadoes come in all shapes and sizes. Some are narrow and rope-like, twisting elegantly across fields, while others are massive and can span more than a mile wide, roaring like freight trains as they carve a path of destruction. The average tornado lasts for about 10 minutes, but some can persist for hours, traveling dozens of miles. The Enhanced Fujita Scale, or EF scale, helps us measure their intensity, ranging from EF0, which causes minimal damage, to EF5, where the destruction is almost unimaginable. But even the mightiest tornado must come to an end. Eventually, the warm, rising air that fuels the tornado is cut off. Without this energy source, the tornado begins to weaken. The funnel narrows, the winds slow down, and finally it dissipates, leaving behind a landscape forever altered. What remains in the aftermath is often a scene of chaos, homes reduced to rubble, trees stripped of branches, lives changed in mere moments. Yet amidst the destruction, there is always resilience as people come together to rebuild and recover. Tornadoes are unpredictable, and safety is key. If you ever find yourself under a tornado warning, remember these safety tips. Take shelter immediately, preferably in a basement or an interior room without windows. If you're outside, try to find a low-lying area, such as a ditch, and protect your head from debris. Staying informed is crucial. Pay attention to weather alerts, and never underestimate the power of these storms. Though tornadoes are destructive, they are also a natural part of our planet's weather systems. They shape the landscape, impact ecosystems, and remind us of nature's untamed power. Wildlife has its own way of coping. Animals take cover in burrows, birds sense the changes in pressure, and life continues, adapting to the new conditions. The life of a tornado is a story of creation and destruction, a dance between the forces of nature that leaves us in awe of its power. While tornadoes are frightening, they also inspire us with the sheer force of nature's complexity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the life of a tornado.